Well, that official 2-day total from Wednesday into Thursday in Cheyenne did get just over about 6 inches. So that 6 inches now brings in our monthly total at just shy of 12 inches, as well as our seasonal total just around about 47 inches, which actually gives us a surplus for both this month as well as this season so far. Now, we are going to see that as we are at near normal snowfall numbers already, we're only halfway through the month, so that number could change. And we are still noting that April is another still could be impressive snow month. So we'll continue to keep an eye on these numbers as it's been definitely less of a snow season compared to last year, but we're still hugging those near normal numbers, which is going to help to continue to mitigate some of the drought conditions that has been returning to the cowboy state. So we have our close eye on that. But after a snow event, we are happy to see that the conditions this weekend are going to be much more pleasant. Road conditions should be good to travel on. We're going to have some seasonal sunshine, meaning that we will see some warm up after that chill that we were battling the last few days. And we'll even get some help with that breeze starting Sunday and Monday. Now that means we'll have to factor in some of those gusty conditions. Good news is it doesn't look to be any high wind events for the near future. Now we'll carry over into that sunshine for about the next week. What we will be watching for end of next week is some precipitation chances to return. And again, it could be another wintry system. So again, March is only halfway over. We'll have to keep an eye on that outlook though. But for the time being, let's enjoy what will be a pretty pleasant Saturday. Sunrise 7:07, sunset 7:07 on the dot. We are now at that time of the year where we are working with more than 12 hours of daylight here. Spring equinox does come next week on Tuesday, so more talk about that sunshine working its way into the northern hemisphere. We also have an average high at 50 degrees and low at 25, so looking at that potential of getting those temperatures warmer is in place. Now we're holding to slightly cooler than normal temperatures. That's just due to seeing that we have still some variable winds that generally come out of the north at times, but we do pair up the day with some all-day sunshine, so grab the sunglasses, get out and enjoy the day. Might be a little mucky in some spots where that snow melt is ongoing, while other spots like areas of Douglas, Lusk, Torrington, all the way down through Sydney where there's more of that brown ground feature, temperatures will be easily be able to climb into those mid to upper 50s as brown ground, and those 12 hours of daylight will easily be able to warm up those temperatures. Little weak system is going to be passing on by to the north and into portions of more of the central and eastern states. That's going to allow for temperatures to have a little restriction on Sunday, but we'll see that on Sunday is going to allow for that southerly flow to fill in behind it. So by Monday, we see that quick rebound as again, we are underneath widespread sunshine as well as those warming temperatures. Little breezy at times, again, not too blustery, but we'll stay mild and quiet through Wednesday before those changes will be on the way.